Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Alright, so in this video of Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading, we will be looking into the types of charts. Okay, so moving on, what are the type of charts? Okay, so basically there are more than 6 to 7 types of charts that you will be able to use in your Forex trading. Alright, so why do you want to use, you might be confused, okay, and on which chart should I use and how do I use it and what is the use of these charts, why are there so many charts? Okay, so these types of questions may be going on in your mind. All right, so why chart? Okay, the purpose of these charts is to actually determine the price movement. Basically that is it. There's nothing much for you to confuse yourself. Okay, and in to make it simple and to make things clear for you guys as beginners, all right, so we will be looking into the three major charts which are commonly used by every single trader. Okay, so the first thing first is the line chart, the second one will be the bar chart, and the third one will be the candlestick chart. Okay, so let's go through one by one deeply. Okay, so the line chart. Say, okay guys, so if you can see here, this is one of the screenshot that I have taken from tradingview.com. Okay, so tradingview.com is actually a website. It is free and you can also make some exclusive membership purchases over there for your better usage. All right, so as for the beginner, you can still use the free access. Okay, so what does line chart shows you? All right, so the line charts actually displays the closing prices only. Okay, this is the best chart for you to use for your technical analysis, like trend line, the support and resistance stuffs and everything. Okay, so it helps determine the market trend. Okay, so you heard me saying words like trend line, support and resistance and stuffs like that, right guys? So what are these? All right, so these will be explained to you in the further videos. Okay, so bar chart, moving on. So this chart may be a little bit confusing for you guys, so I have actually enabled a closer look for you guys, which I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so this kind of charts, which is the bar chart, will actually show you the open, high, low, close, which is the OHLC. All right, so if you can look over here in this chart, the white bar actually represents the bullish price, the bearish price, and the blue bar chart, so the blue bar actually represents the bullish price. All right, so let's take a look at this. Okay, so the white, like as I said, is the bearish price and the blue one is actually the bullish price. So speaking of the OHLC, all right, so if you can see here on the left, it is opening at the top. Okay, and on the blue one, on the blue bar, it is opening down there. Okay, so this is actually the opening price. Okay, so looking at high, all right, so these are the high. Okay, which means the price has actually moved up till the highest level. Okay, so looking at the lows, these are actually the low. Okay, so the price which went down till that particular range. Okay, basically it's the price movement that we are looking at over here. All right, so the closing. Okay, if you can see the closing, this is the closing. All right, so it is simple, but I probably will not use a bar chart because for me personally, I find it confusing. All right, so if you are able to understand bar chart, and you are more than welcome to use. Okay, so by all means go ahead and use it. So one of the other most commonly used chart is actually the candlestick chart. Okay, so this, okay, is the same exact screenshot from the tradingview.com. Okay, what is tradingview.com? Okay guys, let me explain to you first. Okay, so tradingview.com, like I mentioned, is one of the free websites where you will be able to use the free access to plot your analysis and stuffs like that. All right, so you can check it out. I will put the link to tradingview.com in the description down below. All right, so 85% of traders around the world uses this particular chart for them to place their trades. Okay, so this gives a better visual on the open, high, low, close OHLC plus the momentum of the price movement. All right, guys. So this is one of the most highly recommended charts for you to use. Okay, so let's do okay, before going into the other sections of the chart, so let's look at candle charts. Okay, let me explain to you on the candle chart. Okay, so if you can see here, this is a screenshot from my ebook, guys. Okay, so we will be looking into the into the anatomy, I would say, maybe the anatomy of the candlestick chart. Okay, guys, so just like the bar chart, okay, if you can see here, all right, let me show you guys lah, it's better. Okay, so if you can see here, this is the price open, all right, and this is the price close. Okay, before that, okay, the green candle is the bullish price, and the red one is known as the bearish price. Okay, so it is in the candlestick, so we call it bullish candle and the bearish candle. All right, so okay, if you look on your left hand side, okay, so this is actually the price open, and the price close is on the right at the top. Okay, so like as per the bar chart, this is the high and this is the low for the bullish candle. Okay, at the same time, this is the high and this is the low on your right for the bearish candle. Okay, so in between, what is this? Okay, so this is actually called the body, whereby this is the momentum of the price movement. Okay, so these tweaks up here and down here are known as shadows. Okay, which means your price has actually went down or went up to that level and did not close over there. Okay, so it closed at within the body itself. That is how you read a candlestick chart, basically. All right, so guys, looking into this, so bullish candle, which means the price moving upwards. So the price opens at the bottom and closes on top. Whereas on the bearish candle, the price is moving downwards. So that is the reason it is opening on top and it's closing below. Alright, so guys, with that being said, let's do a quick recap of today's video. Alright, so we have seen the line chart, which displays the closing price only, best used for technical analysis, and the bar chart, which displays the OHLC, which is the open, high, low, close, and the candlestick chart, which represents OHLC as well, with a better view to your eyes. All right, the body color represents the price momentum, like I said, and it is the most highly recommended chart for you to use to kickstart your trading journey. All right, guys, so with that being said, we have come to an end to today's video. So let's look into the next videos moving forward.